A 2026 Owl Labs State of Remote Work Report found 63% of remote workers cite status meetings as their top productivity killer. That translates to 12 hours of your team's week gone. And while you're still scheduling those calls, your competitors are already running these workflows. I'm showing you the 7 n8n automations that act as our team's nervous system and save us an entire workday every single week. McKinsey Global Institute's March 2026 estimate puts this shift at $3 trillion in productivity gains, and most remote teams are leaving their share on the table. The 2025 approach to remote work was about finding the prettiest dashboard. As of June 2026, the game has shifted to orchestration. Gartner's 2026 Automation Trend Report places workflow AI at the top of enterprise investment priorities because it moves beyond simple chat into what experts call natural product experiences. Unlike Zapier, n8n allows for complex loops that handle the 7.6-hour workday more efficiently. These 7 automations are how you claim your piece of that $3 trillion. Stop manually researching prospects. Automation 1 is a Perplexity-powered research agent. When a lead hits your Airtable, n8n triggers Perplexity to find their latest news and funding rounds. Automation 2 is a Claude-based sentiment filter. It reads that research and categorizes the lead as urgent or low fit based on your brand DNA. McKinsey research shows that knowledge workers spend 1/5 of their time just searching for information. By automating this, you're effectively hiring a senior researcher for $0. Meetings are the biggest drain on remote teams. Automation 3 uses Loom AI to convert video updates into Notion tasks. When a team member records a Loom, n8n grabs the transcript and creates action items in your database. Automation 4 is the async stand-up bot. It summarizes all completed tasks from the last 12 hours and posts them to Slack so you never have to ask what's the status again. This follows the co-intelligence model, where the AI acts as a coach to keep the team focused on deep work. If this workflow is already saving you time, hit like. It helps more remote workers find this. Where was that file from 3 months ago? Automation 5 is a RAG-powered knowledge retrieval loop. I've connected our company Google Drive to a custom n8n node that uses retrieval augmented generation. Instead of hunting for PDFs, team members ask a Slack bot, "What is our policy on client refunds?" The agent finds the specific paragraph and cites the document. Data from the NBR confirms that this level of AI assistance boosts productivity for novice workers by 34%. By 2027, every remote team without a central brain like this will be too slow to compete. Finally, we have the technical heavy lifters. Automation 6, what I call the self-healing error logger, watches your webhooks and uses Claude to debug failures before you even notice them. No more 3 a.m. alerts. No more broken pipelines discovered by angry clients. Automation 7 is the automated client reporter. It pulls data from Airtable every Friday and generates a polished PDF report in your voice. These are the real-world projects that separate high-income remote teams from the people just playing with ChatGPT prompts. But before you deploy any of these 7 workflows, there is one risk the hype videos won't tell you about. Cisco Talos recently warned that threat actors are now misusing these exact workflow automations to hijack remote systems. There was also a critical flaw exposing automation nodes to remote code execution risks. Step 1. Ensure your n8n instance is updated to the June 2026 patch. Step 2. Rotate your API keys. Step 3. Never put sensitive passwords in plain text nodes. As we move into an era of agentic organizations, your security stack must be as smart as your automation stack. You just saw the 7-part blueprint to reclaim 12 hours of your life every week. These workflows are how we win in the June 2026 remote economy. Next week's Claude Code AIOS build is the natural evolution of what you just built. 6 founders, 8 hours, 1 automated OS. Subscribe so you don't miss that build. That's your next step.